today I've got to do some errands again. I sold a S15 Spec Art Aero front bumper that I'm custom made out of a copy of a bumper. So this is the bumper. Yeah, so I have got to bubble wrap this because I'm sending this to East Malaysia. So I have to go get some tape because I have run out of tape, but I've got a whole roll of bubble wrap. Check it out. It's a very big roll of bubble wrap. I've been using this like forever. So I'm gonna go get some tape and wrap the bumper, and then it will be ready for shipping. But I'll be heading out also to meet up with a friend, a really old friend. Been friends for like close to 10 years, I think more than 10 years. So let me go get the tape and I'll update you guys in a bit. So I have completed the packaging of the bumper, protected all the edges. Check it out. Well, it's not really like a very pro kind of packaging, but yeah. Okay, the lorry is here, so I'm going to move the bumper up to the lorry and then they will give me the forms and everything to handle the shipping. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, the bumper is in the lorry. This is the company. CTSI Logistics. They are surprisingly very cheap. I mean, I got quoted for 4 ringgit per kg, which my bumper is maybe like 4.5 kg. So it's like $4 per kg. It would be, let's round up to 5 kgs. It will be $20, and this is by air, not by sea. So anyways, waiting for my friend to arrive and then I'll be going out. So stay tuned guys, and I will be heading to Avantgard as well. what's up guys? So I'm home after the Prius was fixed. So basically they did the skimming on the disc brake, and then they replaced some missing parts, and then that was the end. Everything went well, everything went smooth, and my buddy was satisfied. Yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.